Hello everybody, hope all of you are doing wonderful. I just woke up and I found something really cool in ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. Not pretty sure what it is, but it seems to be like we will have a Canvas window now with something to type along. I think it's only for paid user as of now, but moving forward it will be for everybody. uh, which might be like limited access like we have for other models. Let's just try it. It seems like a UI upgrade from OpenAI. Let's see how useful it is. Let's just first ask what we can do with it with ChatGPT itself. Okay, so it says we can draft and edit content. We can work with
With the
code.
Canvas feature, often called the sidebar,
We can work with code and we can iterate on ideas, save for future reference, keep track of tasks. So I have some code and I'll just tell it to open it in Canvas. Okay. This is something different, right? This is nice. We have this canvas now where we can make changes, we can do selection. If I selected ask ChatGPT what it says. Okay, edit or explain. Okay. Let's say I don't like this font size very well. Let me ask ChatGPT. Let's see how it works. Nah. This is cool, right? It's working. It seems to be working. This is nice. So I think it did its task. Let's just cross check if okay, it's doing it correctly. That's what we need. This is amazing, guys. What else we can do? Let's tell it. Suggest some other cool font. Okay. This is good. If I do apply, what will happen? It's going through every part and it's changing the font wherever needed. This is awesome, guys. Seems like a very useful tool from OpenAI, I would say. ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. Let me know if you want me to interact with it in different ways as well. I'll just keep exploring it and I'll update you the things you can do with this.